Hi, my name is Alex Coachy with GustinShow.com. I want to talk to you about FHA and how it looks at collections and other credit issues. But let's start with the collections first. Your collection accounts that are non-medical will count against you if it's more than $2,000 cumulatively. So if all your collections that are non-medical add up to more than $2,000, they're going to hit you for 5% of that. And they're going to put that as a hypothetical payment against you. So if you have $2,000 in collections, you have a fake $100 payment against you that they're assuming that would be the worst case scenario your payment would be if they came after you and garnished your wages. So that's the first thing. So if you have less than $2,000, they don't hit you for any collections. Now, if you have charge-offs, the FHA guideline is don't hit you for anything. Now, when it comes to collections and charge-offs being in the last 2 years and you're trying to do a manual underwrite, that will interfere with your ability to do a manual underwrite, because a manual underwrite doesn't want any lates in the last 12 months and no more than worse than 2 car payments in the prior 12 or 2 mortgage lates in the last 12. The prior 12. So if you have a collection no worse than a 90-day late on a credit card. So you have a collection for a credit card that happened a year ago. That means your credit card late was 12 months late in a row, and that would disqualify you from a manual underwrite. Same with the charge-off. Now, these collections and charge-offs are outside a 2-year period. They won't affect the manual underwrite either at all. So that's the news about collections and charge-offs. Now, credit issues, I just went over the lates. So if you get denied by the computer, then those manual underwrite factors come in. No lates in the last 12, no worse than 2 cars or 2 mortgage, or a combination of 1 car, 1 mortgage late, and no worse than a 90-day late on a credit card, then you would be eligible for a manual underwrite. And then credit score won't really matter as long as you're above a 500. Now, with this COVID issue, the pricing for a 500 credit score FHA is kind of awful. So I just want to let you know that that's the story. With low credit scores are tough to do because of the high cost issues and failing QM and charging borrowers too many points. But besides that, if we ever recover, that's the way that we could still do a 500 credit score. The reason someone would have a 500 credit score and no lates in the last 12 and only a couple car payments in the last 24, they would have been really awful before that. So FHA doesn't care about how awful you are before that. They only care about that last 2-year window period. If you got any questions with FHA loans and you're having issues with your lender and you think you fit in my category I just explained, please give me a call, 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.